Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everyone, my name is Naraida Maria Putri. Today's meeting discusses about national heroes of Indonesia. First of all, for this presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala to give in us this one as well as prayers. And salawat salam fully it will Now, I will announce the schedule of today's meeting. The first opening, the second is the introduction of our team, the third is the presentation, and finally closing. Because the first and second program have been carried out, we will try to the third and introduce our team. I am Noraida Malia Putri as the first presenter, Tiana Fitria as the second presenter, presenter, and Mr. Umar Jakfar as our tutor. Alright, now let's National Heroes of Indonesia. National Heroes of Indonesia. Indonesia is independent country thanks to struggles of the people. At a difficult time until hundreds years because colonies by several countries such as the Netherlands and Indonesia country that has a special days to be celebrated as a national hero Indonesia, namely 10 November. Today we will explain about some national heroes who has instrumental in Indonesian independence. 1. Insinyur Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno, Mr. Indonesia is a statesman stage. First president of Indonesia, playing in discerning its idea. He always is straightforward when making a speech so that it often becomes chairman for Congress or important organizations during speeches. Not only in the country, the father proprietor of independence is also known and is highly respected by the world's characters. Insinyur Soekarno even became a close figure to J.F. Kennedy, the former United States president. Muhammad Hatta. Hatta, the national hero of Indonesia with diverse tribes and religions. Accompanying Insinyur Soekarno, Hatta is the first vice president of Indonesia. He is also straightforward, easygoing, and often becomes a very much cerebral figure to discuss about the integrity of Indonesia. Of tribal culture. One of the most memorable things for Muhammad Hatta is when he proposed to replace the first principle in Pancasila that was originally until the people of East Indonesia who indeed for Christianity for protest so that Muhammad Hatta decided to change the principle of being definitely one good. Only one good single and that's true for all adherents. Next, Liana Fitria as second presenter.
Third, Bung Tomo. Bung Tomo, co-foreigner survey. What does not know the heroic incident of Surabaya people? This flag above the hotel so only the Indonesian flag. That's why. This is what becomes the foreigner is elected. Yes, 10 November was a date where Bung Tomo and the Mutual Surabaya fought against the Netherlands who do not want to admit Indonesian independence, so that he tried to control Indonesia again under their power. Once swollen, Bung Tomo was always equipped to burn the spleen When swollen, Bung Tomo was always eager to burn the spirit of Indonesia, of Surabaya people, namely freedom or death. For them, being the colonization of other countries means die because it doesn't have the identity. For General Sudirman. General Sudirman stays struggling even though injured. This young general is a national hero of Indonesia who has inevitable resistance. Her enthusiasm was always burning to combat the invaders. He became the first commander of the army and generals in Indonesia. He who was in the front line every time the war inevitably get a sharp cut. However, the injuries are not all sorted enthusiasm, so keep struggling until his last breath on 50. Next, Hairunisa. Miknyanis.
Five Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ki Hajar Dewantara, Mr. Education, father was born one student park, Jakarta. Student park and education Smith to be the important points in Indonesia. This is not for no reason because one of the national heroes of the special city. He is Ki Hajar Dewantara. As Mr. Education is certainly no for no reason, this is because Ki Hajar Dewantara always struggles for the independence of Indonesian national education. One of the lyrics is I colleague of student park of student in Yogyakarta.
The next, Ionis.
Nine. Muhammad Yamin. Muhammad Yamin, the figure in the main formulation of the oath of the law, the finger against the offenders not always been dominated by the young figure also joined to coming against the infants, one of which is Muhammad Yamin. This one national hero is even known as a figure war formula. The nomination of the youth Pelage in 119 to 8. The moment is even celebrated special in ever October
20.
October to 8 as the point where the Indonesian yoke have an important role in the story of Indonesia independence. In addition to the formulation of the youth movement, Muhammad Yamin also involved in formulating the grains of Pancasila. He is a member of the Committee for Preparatory Work for Indonesian Independence. Next. Next mode, host.
Okay, I will conclude today's material. The conclusion is that we as citizens of Indonesia must appreciate the spirit of our heroes who have fought for Indonesia's independence. By studying their stories, embrace the noble and strongest nature, and learn to make the Indonesian. So, that enough material of today's meeting, more or less apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.